So you may ask, what size tanks do you carry? Great question, as all of them are. We carry a lot of different size tanks, anything from 5-pound cylinders all the way up to 135-pound and larger than that, high pressure cylinders. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 35, and then you go up to a 50-pound, a 75-pound, and a 100-pound. These are all high pressure cylinders. Now, generally CO2 is noted in pounds. We also have cubic feet size cylinders, and I'm not going to name those here just to keep the video short, but we do have references in the description if you want to click on that. And we carry many different size cylinders. The cylinders are dictated to the gas based on the valve at the top. So CO2, it's CGA 320, and then you have other items like argon or helium or things like that. Some of them are mixed. So again, keeping the video short and just talking about CO2 tanks because this is one of the most frequently asked questions, but I want to make sure that I address the other ones in this video as well so that you're aware of what we do carry. Now, bulk tanks. Any size bulk tank that's available. Obviously, there's specific sizes, but 160 liter, 180 liter dewars is what they're called, or bulk tanks, and then much larger than that. We have a lot of other sizes. I'm not going to name them here, but these are like 30,000. We also have, there's so many sizes. Again, not going to mention them here because there's so many shapes and sizes and different features that come on these tanks, but we have done installations that include bulk tanks that are outside of buildings. Those specific tanks are custom to either the operation that they're going on or the type of facility that they're at. All of those bulk tanks sit at about 350 PSI or lower, and the high pressure tanks, those are at room temperature, so the CO2 in there is going to be at about 850 PSI. More information than you probably needed to know, but better to have more than not enough. This should cover what size tanks do you carry. If you have any questions, contact us and we'll let you know what we have available, what we have in stock, and if you need something custom, that's something that we can do as well. Thank you and welcome to CryoFX.